In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change wallpaper on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to go through settings to update your wallpaper and give your iPhone a fresh new look. So first, I'm going to open the Settings app, the grey gear icon. If you don't see it right away, just swipe across your home screen until you find it, then tap it to open. Okay, now Settings is open, and we need to find Wallpaper. So at this point, I'm scrolling down the list until I see it. I'm moving slowly so it's easy to follow along. Alright, I see Wallpaper, so I'm tapping on it. Now we're inside the wallpaper settings, and this is where you can manage your lock screen and home screen backgrounds. The next step is to tap on Add New Wallpaper. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that now. Alright, now we're on the wallpaper selection screen. Here you'll see a variety of built-in wallpaper options, and this is where you can choose the style you want. So at this point, I'm browsing through the list and looking at different categories and designs. If you want to use your own image instead, you can tap Photos at the top right corner. That will open your Photos app, and from there you can browse your gallery and pick any picture you want as your wallpaper. It's a nice option if you want something personal like a memory, a travel photo, or even a custom design. There's also an option called Photo Shuffle right next to Photos, which lets your iPhone automatically rotate different images over time. That's useful if you like your wallpaper to change without you doing it manually. For this example, I'm going to choose a wallpaper from the list below. So I'm tapping on one of the built-in wallpapers, and it opens the preview screen where you can see how it looks. Now here's where you can customize it a bit more. You can swipe left or right to switch between different variations of the wallpaper style. As I swipe, you'll notice subtle changes in color tones and effects, which helps you find the exact look you want. I like to take a moment here and preview how it looks on both the lock screen and home screen, because sometimes a wallpaper looks great in one but not as good in the other. So I'm just swiping through and checking which version feels right before setting it. Once you're happy with your choice, you can apply it and your iPhone will update the wallpaper immediately. There's no save button or extra step needed, so it takes effect right away. And that's it. You opened settings, went to wallpaper, added a new wallpaper, chose from the list or your photos, and customized the look by swiping through different styles. Now your iPhone has a fresh new theme that you can always change again anytime you want.